During this course, we're going to use a series of pictures and icons and so forth to make sure that we have a good understanding of all these different technologies. The first icon that we have is the workgroup switch. This is a universal icon used for a switch typically functioning at layer 2 of the OSI model. You'll see this in different Cisco diagrams, and it's important for you to know the universal symbol for a Cisco router as well. Whenever we have an element of layer 3 of the OSI model, we're going to see an icon like the one represented here. This is a dedicated router typically used to terminate connections between a local area network such as an Ethernet line and a wide area network such as a serial line. With a multi-layer switch, we generally have a device that can handle both functions. It has a lot of ports like a switch or a hub and can provide us with the same types of technologies that a router can, such as packet manipulation. So these three icons are extremely important, and we'll see these in many different places throughout our course. In addition, the hub or concentrator is used to define a non-intelligent layer 1 device, but does not do anything special to the packet. It simply allows computers to connect via Ethernet. Of course, the PC and the server symbols will be used to represent a PC and a server, and when we utilize the asynchronous transfer mode, or ATM, as either a LAN or a WAN technology, we might see one of these switches being used. We'll typically also see a network cloud anytime we're dealing with an environment where we have connectivity from one end to the other. That is typically where the network cloud icon comes into play. There's also a difference between the Ethernet line, which is typically a local area network connection, and the serial line. A serial connection can be considered the same as wide area networking, so we will typically see a little lightning bolt anytime we're dealing with a WAN. We generally see a straight line anytime we're dealing with local area network technologies.